How do you make a thumbnail on a mobile device? And that's exactly what we're talking about today. The app we're using is Picsart. Picsart is by far the best photo editor on mobile. The best part about Picsart is it doesn't give you a watermark and you don't have to pay to get the watermark away. It doesn't have one. And Picsart offers a lot of ways to edit your images by texts, images, stickers from the store, which is also free. They have a lot of stickers over there, and it can also act as a Photoshop editor when you need it to, by adding effects, anything in that category. Just by a click of a button, you can save the app to your mobile phone. You can even add pictures from your gallery and act like stickers. Click save, voila, you're done. It's now at your gallery and you can use it for your videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. If you found any value in this video, like and subscribe, and if you want you can comment, and I answer every comment, I promise. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.